Today I'm going to show you a great way to get some extra veggies in your diet, and all your kids are going to love this as well. You do need a dehydrator for this, but it's super simple. So if you have a dehydrator, you are going to love this. So on my trays right here, I have some fresh spinach. This was just some extra spinach that we needed to have used up, and I laid them on my trays. Y'all, this is so easy. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and spray some olive oil on them. You're gonna put some garlic powder on it. Just sprinkle a little bit of garlic powder, just like that, so easy. And then we're gonna add some salt. We're gonna add some black pepper. Y'all, I'm telling you, I was so surprised at how good this recipe turned out. I had to make it again right away. Okay, so and then we're gonna add some Parmesan cheese on top of this. Just a little bit, you don't need much. Then we're gonna put it in the dehydrator at 131 degrees for 12 hours. And you just set it in there and forget it. It's so easy. Okay, so after 12 hours, they're gonna look just like this. And listen, they're super crunchy. Did y'all hear that crunch? Let me do it again. This is a great way to get some extra veggies in. They taste like chips and are so yummy. Anyways, if you have a dehydrator, maybe give it a try. All right, guys, if you'd like to see another recipe, click on the video link right here, and be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.